Well, gang, Stump's in the kitchen. Today I'm doing a review of two things that's been all over YouTube. That's the
Bacon.
ranch bacon McCrispy and the ranch. That's from McDonald's. This one is from Burger King. The ranch patty melt
Bacon.
the ranch bacon.
Bacon.
I don't think they call it patty melt.
Melts. Okay,
Melt. I cut it in half. I got half of one, half of the other, and Mrs. Stump has half, the other half. Also got this McDonald's tea liquid lemonade, which I hadn't tasted yet. I'm gonna see how good it is right off the bat. So without further ado, let's get into it. Well, tastes like lemonade. There's nothing outstanding, not that sip. You might get the same flavor with Minute Maid lemonade, which is a lot cheap. Well, I don't know if it's cheaper or not, but you get a lot more. Try this. Have it cut in half. This ranch.
I don't think it's called ranch. I think it's just called bacon melt.
No, bacon melt from Burger King. Comes with two patties. The whatever you call these buns. And on my half, I think I got one little shrivel of bacon. But let's see how well she tastes. I guess it has a secret sauce. I don't know. Got not bad. I thought I've had that sauce before from Burger King on something.
That's like their regular hamburger with bacon, which is good. Nothing unusual and different.
Yeah, it has a familiar taste actually. I think they've had something on a regular bun that's similar. Very good.
Mm-hmm.
I did go with Burger King fries over McDonald's because I went Burger King last. I like Burger King fries. Mrs. Stump likes McDonald's fries. McDonald's fries is too much like potato sticks. You tried the lemonade? That's pretty good. I mean, it's all right. This was,
$4.79 or something.
around $4.79, $5 for this one. What do you think of your lemonade?
Good. I think it's good.
Tastes like Minute Maid, don't it?
No, that's better for me.
You never had Minute Maid in the jar, carbonated.
Yes, I have.
Mm. So this ain't bad. I don't know if I'd go out of my way to buy a bunch of them, but because it's awful small.
Yeah.
So on 1 to 10, I'll probably give that a 6. I like the fact that it had two patties on it. Even though one of them was smaller than the other one. Here's some fries.
I give it an 8.
Hmm?
I give it an 8.
Give it an 8. Mr. Stump gives it 8 out of 10. So. Lemonade's not bad. It's just, to me, it's just, you can get it in a bottle at Walmart. Now let's do the famous ranch bacon McCrispy. Y'all know what it looks like. I'll show it to you. But if you watch YouTube, you've seen them all over. Got the 2 little miniature tomatoes and bacon. I can tell you right now, I'll probably like it better than Chick-fil-A because I don't like Chick-fil-A that much. First bite's not bad. Now let's try a second. That's not bad. I think that's pretty good. I could probably get off on that. Well, not get off on it. I mean, I could probably buy another one. I like that. My biggest problem with Chick-fil-A, and I've said it before, is Chick-fil-A costs you like $17, $18 for a bun, 2 pickles, and a piece of chicken. There's a little bit of exaggeration there, but that's a fact. But that's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not an enormous fan of McDonald's, but when they add the lettuce, tomato, I guess that's ranch. Not bad at all. So what would you give this on a scale of 1 to 10?
9.
This something give it a 9. I give it about 8.5. On the scale of 1 to 10 on the cluck scale. So let's do our cluck scale, 8.5. Bok bok, 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 bok. I would recommend you buy this for sure. The Burger King, it's a good hamburger. But for $4 for that little pig, because it wasn't very big.
Much bigger than a sausage biscuit.
And I'd recommend you try that. This one has ice in it because I brought some home, put ice in it. I seen on YouTube where they're served without ice. Supposed to get up around 80 degrees here. We'll look forward to that. Hi guys, take care of this video. Go by McDonald's, give them some business. Go by Burger King, give them some business. I recommend them both, but I recommend the McCrispy more. So, until we meet again, as one cowboy, what cowboy you say that? Really don't matter.
Or Rogers, maybe.
Or
He
Roger.
said happy trails to you.
Yeah. Till we meet again, happy trails to you.
Until we meet again, so it was Will Rogers.
She interrupted my singing. Happy trails to you until we meet again. Giddy up. Check y'all later.